For our funded and focused feature, there comes a time in your funding journey as an entrepreneur when you need to scale up. The mindset shift here is fundamental. Small clients find you. Large clients have to be convinced you exist and that you are the right choice. They are not scrolling Instagram looking for vendors. They are working from approved supplier lists, responding to referrals, and evaluating capability statements. You have to go to them, and you have to arrive looking the part. This is where AI can be of great assistance because the different types of large clients require different levels of documentation. The barrier is not competition, it's paperwork and positioning. The large client pool breaks into 4 categories. Government ministries, agencies, and statutory bodies are the single largest buyer of goods and services in every economy. Multilateral and development organizations operate extensively across the world. This is the IDB, the UNDP, World Bank, USAID, EU, and others contract local businesses constantly for consulting, training, logistics, construction, research, and services. Large private sector companies, banks, insurance companies, manufacturers, hotel groups, supermarket chains, all have vendor relationships and procurement departments. Last but not least is NGOs and foundations, both local and international. They contract for project implementation, community program, training delivery, and professional services.